So the BSN program is a CCNE-accredited program. We prepare students to be eligible to take NCLEX, and we prepare them to be leaders and to be professional nurses upon graduation.
My instructors have been amazing. They are super helpful because nursing can obviously be very rigorous, but they're great with helping me with any questions I have and kind of guiding me in the right direction.
All my professors are very knowledgeable and they definitely have the experience. They've all worked in the healthcare fields and have done hands-on with all of it.
They're really understanding and caring, and they know that nursing school is hard, and they do give you all the resources that you need to succeed.
We do have an ASN to BSN bridge. This allows nurses who have a diploma as an ASN or ADN to come back and get a Bachelor in Science of Nursing. It is mostly online and takes about 25 credit hours to get their bachelor's. The Institute of Medicine wants all nurses to have a Bachelor in Science of Nursing as an entry level. So having an ASN to BSN is an excellent bridge for these already working nurses.